Hey, third grade, we are going to be continuing practicing multiplication and division problems, some more representing them with models, some solving them. Really quickly, before I get to that, I want to show you guys what your interactive slides look like. So after you are done watching this video, it is an expectation that you guys complete these two interactive slides, all right? So this first one is you're matching the expression to the description. 6 times as much as 30. That is 6 times 30. So you would just pull over this one. There. 8 times as much as 4. That is 8 times 4. Okay, so then you're just matching these expressions to the description. Then you've got some arrays and some equal groups. And you are matching the division problem to the correct sharing cookies with a friend. So if I look here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7, and I have 7 in one group, and you can see the groups, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 6 groups. So I have 7 in each group, and I have 6 groups. And I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So I would drag over. That is the one that matches with that. All right? So if you're watching this video, you're going to get this one correct. And you're going to get these two correct, all right? So it's really, really important. And if you're watching this video, you don't need to hear this. It's important that you're watching these videos, all right? So let me get back to this. These are some word problems. A store is selling shirts. There are 2 racks that have 15 small shirts on each rack. There are 25 medium shirts. How many shirts are in the store? Well, let's create, I'm going to create a strip diagram to represent this. There are 2 racks that have 15 small shirts on each rack, and there are 25 medium shirts. 2 racks, 1, and then 25. Small, small, medium. Rack 1, rack 2, rack 3. This right here is going to be my total number of shirts. That is what you're looking for. All right? If you don't draw a strip diagram, you could have drawn a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Rack 1. And then I would do rack 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then this one, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. But you need to know that these are different amounts. Okay? So you would just count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. There are 55 shirts in the store. You could have also multiplied 15 times 2, because that's what is there, plus 25, which would have got you 30 plus 25, which equals 55. There's lots of different ways to go about solving these problems. And there's not one correct way to solve these, all right? A movie theater has 8 rows of seats. Each row has 5 seats. During the movie, there were 15 seats left empty. Which expression could be used to find the number of people who attended the movie? Well, am I looking for an actual answer? No, we're not looking for an actual answer, okay? I just want the expression. I know that there are 8 rows of seats and each row has 5 seats. How would I figure out how many seats are at the movie theater? Good. You would do 8 times 5. Now, were all of the seats taken? No, not all of the seats were taken. So, because not all of the seats were taken, how many seats were left empty? $15. So if someone is not sitting in them, what do I need to do with that amount of seats? Good, I need to subtract them. And letter H matches my answer. This is going to tell you this is the total number of seats. This minus the number of seats left empty equals the number of people who attended the movie. This is the total number of seats minus the number of seats that were left empty equals the total number of people that attended the movie. Okay, let's look at this one. Jonathan has 36 rocks and wants to put them into 3 piles. He wants to put the same number of rocks in each pile. Which strip diagram shows how to find the number of rocks that Jonathan should put in each pile? All right. Let me read this again. Jonathan has 36 rocks and wants to put them into 3 piles. Them is the 36 rocks. He has 36 rocks and wants to put them into 3 piles. He wants to put the same number of rocks in each pile. Which strip diagram shows how to find the number of rocks that Jonathan should put into each pile? All right. So he has a total of how many rocks? He has a total of 36 rocks. All right. So he's taking his 36 rocks. What is he doing with them? What operation is he going to do to solve this problem? (36) divided by 3 equals something. Okay? Now, look at letter choice A. What does this represent? This represents 36 times 3 because I have 1, 2, 3 groups and I have 36 in each group, or you could say 3 times 36. He's not putting 36 rocks in each group. He wants to take his 36 rocks and separate them into 3 groups or 3 piles. Letter A is not the correct answer. Letter B represents, what does letter B represent? Three groups times how many in each group? Good, times 12, which equals something. okay? What does letter C represent? Letter C represents 3 times 3. Good job, you're getting good at this. 3 times 3 equals what? 9. That's only a total of 9 rocks. How many rocks does he have total? He has 36 total rocks. Letter C is not your answer. So now we have letter D. Letter D represents what? Three groups times 13 in each group, which equals something we don't know yet. So I'm left with 2 answers. Let's look at letter B. How could I figure out how many rocks this is total? Because this is group 1 with 12, group 2 with 12, or group 3 with 12. How do I figure out how many rocks this is total? Good, I can just add these up. 12 plus 12 is what? 24 plus 12 more equals 36. Good. So how many rocks does he have total? He has 36 total rocks. How many rocks is this total? 36. That is your correct answer. All right. Again, today, it is really important that you are completing these 2 interactive slides, okay? Turning in this assignment without these interactive slides being done is the same thing as turning in a blank piece of paper if you were at school and we were using regular paper like we normally do during a normal school year, all right? It's important that if you guys are having questions, you're asking your teacher, you guys are asking for clarification and asking for help when you need it. Talk to you later.